So I'm currently the president of OYSU San Diego, and for those that don't know, there's about 26 different OYSUs throughout the world. And just to touch upon what is the point of OYSU and the reason that it exists is to raise awareness about the genocide that's currently occurring in the Ogaden region. So people have some misconceptions as to what OYSU is, but I'm telling you right now, it is to raise awareness and to be advocates for the Muslim brothers and sisters that are Somali that are currently living in the Ogaden region of Ethiopia that are constantly being slaughtered and murdered. Is for us to be advocates for them. Because we are here in America, we can do something for them that they cannot do for themselves. And we have a lot of different programs going on this year. One of them, specifically for the high school students, is to, I know some of you guys have seen the film Silent Cry about 2 years ago. And what I wanted to do is to start silent cry organizations in high schools, just as there's invisible children, to help raise awareness within your own community. And just to quickly touch upon, I was asking myself, like, why am I in this organization? What is the point of it? And the reason I'm a part of OYSU is that, inshallah, 30 years from now, 40 years from now, when I'm with my children, I can tell them I was a part of this movement. I did something. I tried my best, and I was a part of this movement to help stop genocide. And this is something that each single one of you guys can contribute to in the smallest way possible. And just as the keynote speaker said, all of us, we need to leave some sort of legacy. We're not here just to live our lives, we're here for a greater reason. And this can be one of those legacies that you leave behind by being a part of OYSU. So inshallah, if you have any questions of how you can get involved, you can just approach me. I'm a really nice person, and we can just talk about it.